That's up to the tech experts like MrWhosetheboss, Shazam in Kerala, and all those people. The Google circle to search listens to the music. So I hope you like this feature.
Yeah, I really like it.
Thank you. I have feared to make a video on you, but now it's time. While everyone is talking about Samsung's design, camera and all, I thought why not talk about its AI features. But I'm not gonna sit here and blabber and this AI, that AI. Let's talk to real people. Other than that, like all these features, are they gimmicks or are they true? I have no clue. We check them out too. And also, Samsung also said some of these AI features on this phone will be paid in 2025. So let's ask what people think about these stuff. Okay, so Cheta, hi.
Hi.
S25 Ultra ആണെന്ന് അറിയാലോ. Okay, so ഇതിനകത്ത് ആദ്യം ഒരു ഡിഫറെന്റ് ഫീച്ചർ ഉണ്ട്. Okay, ഡ്രോയിങ് അസിസ്റ്റ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ അതെന്താന്ന് ഞാൻ കാണിച്ചു തരാം. ചേട്ടനിക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടോ ഇല്ലയോ എന്ന് ചേട്ടൻ ഓണസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് പറയണം. ഓക്കെ, ആദ്യം ഞാൻ ചേട്ടന്റെ ഒരു പടം എടുക്കാൻ പോവാം. ഓക്കെ, നല്ല ഹാൻഡ്സം ആയിരിക്കുന്നു. ഇനി നമുക്ക് ഇതിൽ കുറച്ച് മാജിക് ആഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ഞാനിവിടെ പടം എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, ഇത് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തു. ടെക്സ്റ്റ് നമുക്ക് ഓക്കെ കുറച്ച് കഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെന്ന് പറയാൻ വേണ്ടി ഇതെടുക്കാം. എനിക്കത് ഇഷ്ടം. ഓക്കെ, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please സമയം എടുക്കല്ലേ, പെട്ടെന്ന് ചെയ്യൂ. 5 more 3, 2, 1. ഓക്കെ, ജനറേറ്റ് ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആ പടത്തിനെ മാറ്റിയിട്ട് ഞാൻ ഇതിനകത്ത് ആഡ് എ ഹാറ്റ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. ഇപ്പൊ അതിനകത്ത് ഹാറ്റ് ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, അതിനകത്ത് മുഖം ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, അല്ലാതെ കുറെ കാര്യം. ബേസിക്കലി ഞാൻ വാട്ടർ കളർ ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. സ്കെച്ച് ആക്കാം, കാർട്ടൂൺ ആക്കാം. ആക്ച്വലി ഈ വീഡിയോയില് നമ്മൾ ഏറ്റവും ടു ദ നീസ് യൂസ്ഫുൾ ടു ദ മോസ്റ്റ് യൂസ്ഫുൾ അങ്ങനെ പോകുന്നു. So I hope you like this feature.
Yeah, I really like it.
Thank you. So let's go to the next one. Thank you for coming here. So the S24 Ultra has a lot of stuff. You know that, right? Like from camera to design, that it is pretty good at. One thing that is also pretty good is at capturing good movements of someone making random noises, right? So I got a good say hi. Say hi. Not a background noise. What if we use AI? Say hi. Say hi. The background noise literally just disappears with the help of audio overview or audio. What is that feature even known as? All the background noise just cancels away. Now everyone here watches shorts and Instagram reels, right? Well, if you do, I'm pretty sure you might have the situation where you're like, what is that song? Well, with the help of this AI, check it out. The Google circle to search listens to the music and it tells you which music it is. Normally you would need another phone, make it here to this, blah 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 blah, but this has directly inbuilt and listens to that music. One feature that is available on S25 Ultra that is also there on other phones, but S25 Ultra does it better here, is that apps can talk to each other in Gemini. Let me give you an example in my phone itself. So here is a small example. Can you find me nearest restaurants and share it with Akash on WhatsApp? So it uses Google Maps and through the help of Google Maps, it finds the nearest restaurants.
Message to Akash on WhatsApp say, here are some restaurants near you. Shazam restaurant. It has a 2.9 star rating on Google Maps.
Okay. You don't need to give me the lecture. But it found all the restaurants near me and it sent it to Akash. So yeah, that is one feature where it can access your apps now and send pictures, use context like search online and send this, do that. It can actually connect apps now. So now you don't even need to open apps. At the end of the day, it is a good phone. But if you have an S24 Ultra, don't buy this, okay? But if you have like an S7, get this. It's a pretty good upgrade if you want Samsung. And as a phone itself also, I would give it a pretty good rating for all the AI stuff. But the camera, the design, that's not up to me. That's up to the tech experts like MrWhosetheboss, Shazam in Kerala and all those people. So it's up to them. But AI, I give an A+, I guess. But money was not. Oh, before that, when are you going to buy this phone? Where are they going to buy it, Cheta?
They should already know this by now, but
Oxygen. You have to buy phones, Apple running, even if you're buying Apple, iPhone, anything, you have to go to Oxygen. Okay, because they provide good discounts and all, man. Anyway, leaving all that, my name is Rahul. You're watching Wow the Rockstar, and I am S25 Ultra. I'm signing out.